Is Merrill Edge good? Have you used Merrill Edge before? What was your experience? Leave your Merrill Edge review in the comments section below. Merrill Edge, a leading online brokerage platform, has established itself as a reputable choice for investors seeking a wide range of investment products and services. Known for its user-friendly interface, comprehensive research tools, and access to Bank of America's extensive resources, Merrill Edge has attracted a significant following among both seasoned investors and those just starting out. One of the standout features of Merrill Edge is its commitment to providing a seamless and intuitive trading experience. The broker's platform is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to investors of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Merrill Edge's platform offers a straightforward and efficient way to invest. The broker's extensive range of investment products allows investors to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on various market opportunities. From stocks and bonds to ETFs and mutual funds, Merrill Edge provides access to a wide array of assets. This diversity enables investors to tailor their strategies to their individual risk tolerance and investment objectives. As part of Bank of America, Merrill Edge offers investors access to the bank's extensive resources and financial expertise. This includes access to financial advisors, investment research, and other resources that can help investors make informed decisions. It's important to note that investing in financial markets involves inherent risks, and there's no guarantee of profits. Additionally, Merrill Edge charges fees for certain services, so it's crucial to understand the fee structure and how it aligns with your investment goals. If you're considering Merrill Edge, it's recommended to research and compare it with other brokers to find the one that best suits your needs. Additionally, carefully review the fee structure to ensure it aligns with your investment strategy. Starting small and seeking professional advice can also be beneficial, especially if you're new to investing. Ultimately, the best broker for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. By conducting thorough research and considering factors such as your investment goals, risk tolerance, and budget, you can make an informed decision and select a broker that aligns with your investment journey.